Candidate Q card setting. Community health center nurse. You are talking to a 35-year-old computer engineer who has been referred by her doctor for advice on weight loss. The patient has been experiencing breathlessness on exertion and has been advised by his GP to lose weight to improve his health status. The patient is overweight and has a BMI of 25. Good morning. I am the community health nurse and my name is Gerline. How are you doing today?
Hello Gerline, I am doing well.
That's good to hear. How may I address you?
Call me John.
Okay. So, John, you have been referred by your doctor so that we can have a little chat. The doctor is concerned about your weight.
But I don't think my weight is that serious an issue. You see tons of overweight people these days. That's what I tried to tell the doctor as well. Half of the country has a weight problem if you read the papers.
That may well be the case, John, but I think we must consider the long-term effects of being overweight. Moreover, I have been informed that you have been experiencing breathlessness with exertion. Is that right?
Oh yes, I get out of breath while playing with my nephew. I look after him on the weekends, and over last 2 months, I have been getting breathless while having a bit of a kick around him.
This is probably not something that you were hoping to hear. But being overweight is one of the causes of shortness of breath. Moreover, carrying extra weight predisposes you to health problems. Therefore, it is imperative that we discuss some ways of stabilizing your weight to avoid future complications. Is that okay?
Okay. Well, yes.
Good. Now, I just have a few questions for you before I can advise you, if I may.
Ask away.
Thank you. Could you tell me if you get any physical activity daily? For instance, exercising or walking or playing some sport?
I have a hectic schedule. Honestly, I do not get the time. I go to work in the morning, and I get so exhausted during the day that I either crash in front of the TV or spend time with my mates in the local pub.
I see. Would you mind telling me about your eating habits?
Oh, I normally skip breakfast because I have to rush to work. During the day, I eat snacks from the cafeteria or get fast food in the lunch hour.
All right. And could you tell if you drink?
Yes, I have a few beers with my mates in the evenings, but it's only a form of relaxation.
Okay. And do you have any ongoing medical conditions, for example, hypertension or diabetes?
Thankfully, no. But my problem's the afternoon. My energy level declines by 3 o'clock.
Okay. Thank you for answering my questions. Here's what I have understood. You have a hectic lifestyle which makes it difficult for you to find time to exercise. Mornings are particularly busy due to which you skip breakfast, and during the day you rely on fast food from the cafeteria. In the evenings, you sometimes go to the local pub where you have a few beers. Is that an accurate summary?
Yes, sounds about right.
Okay, let's now look at some practical things that we can do together to help. Does that sound good? Great. Well, John, firstly I want you to consider including some physical activity in your routine. There are different ways to do this. Do you like exercising?
I don't mind it, but like I said earlier, I have a busy life, so it's difficult to take time out to exercise.
That's fine. How far is your workplace from your house?
Oh, not far. It's about half a mile from where I live.
Okay, so how do you get to work?
Oh, I take my car. If I didn't, I would be late.
I see. John, but if I may suggest, you should try and incorporate some activity into your daily routine. You could consider walking to work or taking a bicycle to work. It is an efficient and effective way to improve your health and fitness. The good thing is that your workplace isn't far off and the distance between your work and home allows for it. Does this sound realistic?
I am not sure. I already struggle to get to work in time.
I understand your concern, but it would not take as long as you think it will. You might need to wake up 30 to 45 minutes earlier than usual, but this way you will be able to incorporate a much needed cardio activity in your lifestyle. If you feel you are getting very late, take the bus and walk back home. How do you feel about what I am proposing so far?
Well, I suppose it's not that bad.
I am glad to hear that. Apart from this, you might want to rethink your diet. A nutritious, well-balanced diet with physical activity is the cornerstone of maintaining good health. At the moment, you are barely getting one nutritious meal. You must start with a healthy breakfast so that you do not need to snack up till lunchtime. How does this sound?
Well, if I am getting up early, I might as well try.
That's good. Eating a healthy breakfast will keep your energy levels up during the day. Moreover, you need to include fruits and vegetables in your diet. Would you be able to do this?
Well, my sister is a veggie and mum prepares salad and stuff in the evening, so I have no excuse really. I am not that keen on it.
I can understand. But eating a healthy diet is paramount to your general well-being. I can sense you are worried about changing habits all at once, so you can make gradual changes by including 1 or 2 portions of fruits and vegetables in your diet. They are healthier substitutes for snacking too.
Okay. I can try.
That would be nice. And as for your alcohol consumption, can I suggest you limit your intake to 1 or 2 pints at a time?
1 or 2 pints. That's hard. This is the only form of relaxation I have by having a drink with my mates.
I know, I appreciate that, but it is vitally important you reduce your intake. And I am not even advising to give it up altogether but simply suggesting that you can limit your intake. Does that sound like something that you will be able to do?
I will think about it.
I understand it's going to be difficult at first, but it is indispensable that you lose weight to avoid any adverse effects on your health. Eventually, this will have a bearing on all aspects of your life.
I suppose I can give it a try.
I am glad to hear that. You can start with little changes at first, and I recommend that you visit me in 4 weeks' time to assess your progress. If you have any questions in the meantime, you can contact me here at the center. Does that sound okay?
Yes, it sounds all right. I will see you after a month.
Hello friend, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel.